everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where English is fun, easy, and exciting. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. And hello to all our wonderful listeners. Are you ready for today's adventure?
Oh, I am super ready, Paul. And you?
Absolutely. The sun is shining, I have my coffee, and I feel unstoppable. How about you, Emily?
I'm excited because today we are going to talk about a very special topic: how to talk to anyone confidently in English.
Wow, that is epic. Confidence is tricky, but I love challenges.
Before we start, listeners, a tiny favor. Hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and share with your friends. Let's grow our English family. All right, Paul, where do we start with confidence?
We start small, really small, tiny, micro-level small.
Micro-level small. I like it. What's the first step?
Just one word and a smile.
One word? Which word?
Hello.
Hello. Easy. I can do that.
And the smile. A smile is magical. It says, I am friendly. It's okay to talk to me.
Magic smile. Got it.
Next step, ask a simple question. Easy one.
Like,
How are you?
so hello, smile, and how are you? That's it. Small conversation started.
Yes. And another easy topic is the weather.
The weather. Okay. It's sunny today, isn't it?
Perfect. Everyone has an opinion about weather. Simple, friendly, easy.
Very important. Stand tall, shoulders back, look at the eyes. Hands relaxed, not in pockets. Be a conversation superhero.
Conversation superhero. I love it.
And the secret ingredient? Listening. Really listen. People love it when you pay attention.
Even if I don't understand all the words?
No problem. Just say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Or, can you speak a little slower, please? Polite, easy, stress-free.
Where should I practice first?
Low-pressure places. A coffee shop, supermarket, neighbors, or even your dog.
My dog? He's a good listener, I'm sure.
Exactly. Smile, say hello, order coffee, say thanks. Small victory.
Want to be extra friendly?
Give a compliment. Simple one. I like your t-shirt.
Or nice color?
And after they say thank you, smile. Smiles are your best friend in conversation.
Emily, mistakes scare me.
Don't worry, Paul. Mistakes are your friends.
Friends? Really?
Yes, mistakes show that you are brave enough to try. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. Remember, communication, not perfection. It was nice talking to you. Or, have a wonderful day. It was nice talking to you. Or, have a wonderful day. Add one last smile and walk away confidently.
Yes, and listeners, remember, the first step is always the hardest. Say hello, smile, ask a question, and remember, mistakes are your friends.
Emily, any last tips for confidence? Yes, practice every day, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the process. Confidence grows slowly like a superhero leveling up. Before we go, listeners, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your favorite tip. We love reading your messages.
Thank you all for listening. See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye for now.